Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Man Cake. My name is Dan, and today we're gonna be making another pumpkin pie. I know, stop with the pumpkin, but I have like 2 cans of pumpkin left, so this is pretty much, we're almost at the finish line here with the pumpkin. So we're gonna take some pumpkin and we're gonna make a pumpkin walnut pie. It's gonna be delicious. And this is just another pie on our Battle of the Pies series, where all month long, you guys are helping me pick the best holiday pie by liking up this video and checking out your favorite pie on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you know when brand new recipes are available, and you can try them out with me. Now to get started, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And let's get baking it up. No. To get started, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And let's get baking. In a regular mixing bowl, add 16 ounces of pumpkin, (12 ounces of evaporated milk, and 2 eggs. Now we're just gonna go ahead and whisk up all of our wet ingredients. Let's get some whisking going. And you wanna make sure to really try to break up those egg yolks. Now that we have all of our wet ingredients mixed to a nice creamy texture, we can go ahead and start adding in all the dry. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now with all of our dry ingredients into our wet, we're gonna go ahead and mix them all up until everything's nice and combined. So let's give it a good whisking. Now that we have everything mixed, for our pie filling, we're gonna go ahead and move that to the side and work on our walnut topping. In our new bowl, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of uncooked oats, 3/4 cup of chopped walnuts, a 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 cup of butter, or just half a stick. Now let's go ahead and mix these all together. Now I've already gone ahead and pre-made this pie crust, but if you'd like to use this recipe, I'll go ahead and throw an eye up top for the pumpkin pie we started off our pie series with, which, between you and I, that pumpkin cream pie, delicious. But this one might blow it out of the ballpark. I guess we'll have to wait and see. So taking our pie filling, we're just gonna go ahead and pour that in. Now, the topping. So we're gonna go ahead and just start sprinkling. Simply perfect. Now, all we have to do is just bake in the oven for 75 minutes, about an hour and a half, until the pie is just set and your kitchen pretty much just smells like pumpkin heaven. Okay, now that our pie has had some time to set and cool and hang out a bit, we get to do the best part, the slicing and the eating. Obviously, because pumpkin and walnut is gonna be yummy. So let's go ahead and slice into the pie. Get a nice, good, healthy slice. Okay, that's perfect. Nice soft walnut crumble on top, smooth creamy pumpkin on the bottom. Who's not gonna love it? I'm gonna love it, and I know you guys are gonna love it too. If you make it for yourself, or your friends, but I'd make it for myself, let me know how it turns out down below in the comments. Okay, hands down, best pumpkin pie. You need it. I need all of this. Make it, love it, enjoy it. Just fantastic. And who knows, maybe this pie will win best holiday pie of the month, because I wouldn't mind taking all this in the vase. It's delicious. I would just... Anyway, don't forget to vote for your favorite holiday pie on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. I'll put all these links down below. And don't forget to like up this video and click that subscribe button while you're down there so you know when brand new recipes are available. And so you get to try them out with me, because who doesn't love a little company while baking? I do. Until next week, bye!